welcome back to our channel. Today it's a general holiday since it's a boating day. So me, my friends along with my siblings were heading towards Maitilang Park just to refresh our mind, just little, what to say, to relax our mind since we have worked the whole week. So we'll go see there and I'll show you guys the view. We are almost here. This is the way to Maitilang Park. Let me just show you the entry. Okay guys. Go for the parking. So we are here along with these people. Say something.
I guess what Kuti is not a girl.
I said say something. Okay, you? She's my sister, guys. Seriously, this is an oops moment. Crow. Say something.
Hi, it's me, Crow. Yeah, it's early channel.
Yeah, and please tell them to subscribe the channel.
Please do subscribe, like, and share her channel, please.
Okay, thank you for that. So we'll show you more inside. We'll show you more what we're going to do inside. And as you can see, my helmet is so broken. So I'll show you more inside. So stay tuned.
Yes. Great.
Let's go with us and.
No, I don't want to go.
This guy always irritates me. I would show you this person behind this.
Ada pun rapi itu. Bedeng ini rentang itu lah. Point of view.
Oh, ada.
How much?
I'm super, guys. I'm super. I have to pick up for my savings.
100 each then?
Today she's family, na?
Oh, this.
Hi. Mana?
All this shit.
Pay me.
I'll pay you later. Pay that.
Okay.
Ano, control am?
Like spa, but like
Pay me.
this.
You also.
Bay luôn kịp sao?
Hey!
No.
Bay em là ông Hiếu Bon. Ông Hiếu Bon đó, bay.
Okay.
Wait. Let's. Only money and love. Oh, babe. It's right?
Siap hanura ketika pisah deh.
This person. Wow. Sorry, berkali tadi. Dia pengen
Ready, bye,
Just
mama.
finished turning it. So let's go. And
We're never part of anything.
you know, look there. Look there. Look at the sun.
Look at that. Look at the sun. It looks just like the sun.
I forgot to fall.
Too late.
Slip. I think you should have recalled that.
Well, then slip again.
Wow, but I can even eat some.
Banyak biskuit.
So I have just done with my photo shoots by this person. I'm going to upload it. And guys, please make sure I'll share in the link my Instagram ID. Make sure, please follow it. Just, follow. Make sure you follow. I will definitely follow back. Don't worry about that. So let's go and check out more places, okay? Now we are going downwards.
Hey, what's crowd?
Down. I'll definitely upload this. I won't crop it off. So this person is my brother.
I'm also her brother. Wink, wink. Yes.
Who told you that you are not my brother? He's my brother.
I am your brother.
Yeah. So there goes my sister. There, clicking.
This guy also
She's very
brother.
close. What do I call him? What do I call
bro.
him?
Wink,
Small
wink.
brother, not
Okay.
big bro, because I'm older than him. So for real, his.
Okay, now.
Chalo, now we'll go there. I'll just flip. We'll go there.
Okay, bye. See you. Hey, let me.
Hey again, so now we'll go check out the guys, did you just see what happened? These people are so stupid. I'm about to die. Honey. Oh gosh. Seriously, these people are being mad. They have gone wild. They could not even Ani, what to say? Shoot.
Hey.
Do that.
You see that, Elisha? That's the other side of China. There's the border.
Look, just look at the ducks. Zoom.
They look delicious.
This man is horrible. You have no humanity.
One day you'll be
Forget
mad.
about humanity. Just what to say.
Why you?
Guys, you know what? The beauty of Meghalaya is truly fascinating. Just check there. I mean, you can see, right, the nature. So adorable.
All I can see is water.
Yeah, it's water. Just look there. It's kind of cave. You see? Yeah, see?
What?
It's like a nose, right?
Someone. This girl wants to jump.
Just look up. There's a viewpoint. Yeah, that's
Oh
a
my
viewpoint.
god, that looked like a trunk. Is that an
Yeah?
elephant trunk?
Yeah, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
God.
But there is someone. No, obviously there's someone. Stop pointing at us. Come, let's go.
Go there, go. What the? Wrong place. That is not the trunk. Woo, women. This is Titanic pose. One behind. What height? You look same only. Now one of you push her.
We have done with our photograph and this spot, but then I don't know why suddenly it's raining. Like you can see, crazy people. I must say, crazy people. It's raining. You can see from my specs. You see the drops of water. I mean, it drops. Yeah, drops of water. So we'll go ahead that side. Stay tuned. Oh, why to say stay tuned? Yeah, I'm recording only. Right? Yeah. I look crazy, right, guys? It's raining. Stupid things I do. I'll show you the view. This is Maitilang Park. This is all the view. I think we are able to roam all the place due to sudden rain. We have to rush towards our scooty since we don't have car. Come to a scooty. I just hope there's no rain or else we'll stuck here in this place. How? Okay, now it's your turn to say something. Say.
Today it was fun, and then we had a lot of things. I don't know.
We didn't have fun, right? It's just that
Photo, I mean.
that's the only things we have
Yeah, but then we
done so
I don't
far.
want to play there.
I'll show you the view here.
Coba makan football ni.
Okay.
Klik jong.
You helmet. Shoo shoo shoo. Why are you so cute? Video na show. He said he didn't want to show himself in the camera and then he's
Boleh? Berapa dia lagi?
Tempiang man.
Tempiang ni.
Is it fruits? I think it's a bird's fruit, ah. Can you look there? Am I right?
ambil ada video. Ini sana.
Guys, I'm wet. I don't know what happened to this nature. You can see, right? The time it was sunny, and look at now it's raining, and all of us get wet. As you can see, my hair, it's all wet. And us get stuck. This is the only place where we can hide ourselves from the rain. And these people are running. Kids. From rain, they're running. Just guys, I don't know how to go. Let's hope it stops raining, or else I don't know what's gonna happen. Plus it's cold also at the same time. So that's, I think, yeah, we haven't roamed much due to the sudden rain. Dancing.
Cause if you like the way you look that much, well baby you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, we should go.
Finally the rain has stopped. I think I'll go and play again. So I'm gonna run towards the playground and I'll show you some more.
Beli pink am tu. Ha, beli pink am tu. Bok.
Okay. There's no point expected. Okay, listen, guys. It's so rich, guys. It's so rich. It's rich, guys. Oh, listen. Guys. You people. Snap, okay, guys, listen. I'm gonna give you two, listen. Listen, I'm gonna give you two, since you guys are the Scenic, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna give you one competition from just a little distance, handstand race. Are you guys agree?
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes, I'm agree.
Do you agree? Okay, fine. Let's see who is the winner. So these two people have already confirmed their competition. So let's see who's gonna win. Okay. From where? Wait. Let me make distance, right? Okay, till here. Are you guys ready? This person out of nowhere, he just came just for the interruption. Okay, wait. You guys ready? Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Come. Muna pala. Hadu ang ni. Come on. Samir win. But enough. You lose. Money. Guys, money. Samir, he's the winner.
So she's inside.
People, this is the second time for them to do their race again. I think the distance is quite far from the first one. So let's see who's gonna win. Okay, your game start now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, start. Whoa! I see something falling. Come on. Ah, again. Samir winning. Enough. You lose. You end up losing again. Loser. Bro, congratulations. You win. Yo. These two. I mean, the same person last losing again, and then still it's dancing. Loser. No shame. And still dancing. You gotta give it. I'll give it another chance. I'm not looking for myself. Okay, so. We have just seen me feeding him. It's from there, the house, we get the music. This is the house that we get the music. It has come to an end. We have enjoyed a lot. We have played different types of games. It was quite fun to us, and I think this is the end of the day. This is the whole day what we spent. Actually, I have not shown you from the beginning. The start of the day. We went for the boating, and the rest we have done some kind of walk also. But then I did not record at that time. I felt it not necessary, so that's why I didn't record. So this is the vlog of Maitilang Park. I hope you guys like it, and please make sure to subscribe. I'm new here, so show me some of your spot so that it will encourage me to do more videos, Yes. So before that, before leaving this place, I would like to ask something from everyone. Ta, peace mo kum nam dam taxi.
Bus.
Pi bas. Ngate ra dapat nga fi come enjoy era day. The
Nadam ba
boring
ayo
person.
biscuit.
Te peace mo kum na.
Nang kuha biscuit dia. Sudah nang skuti jo.
Ta, crow.
Oi.
Pi kwa benang nam ta
Có
taxi.
gì bên ông biết ta xin cái ăn mà ba slap nó. Slap là enjoy là là cái xíu.
Ang wala ka tao ni slap hindi ni kabening kalarang biang hipat nila yo le ka hiday. Efis mo bang?
Enjoy a lot.
Efis mo bang?
Yes.
Okay, that's glad. Kini siya sharing video. Kini siya sharing video. Before leaving.
Yes na. Iya kuala rider boy. Dapat mentau bon umi bon mut sendur mentama. Ada orang ngai usang skuti ya sang inget ni.
Right. Kadai kan kataru. So kani this is the end